good morning, dear smarts. This is spoken English class. Now I am going to explain the topic structure with future continuous tense. Already in the previous class, I explained how to communicate in present continuous. Present continuous. Continuous means those are going on actions. Continuous means going on actions. Going on actions. So here now I am going to explain about future continuous tense. Tomorrow by this time, what we are doing? It's like that. In a single sentence, tomorrow by this time, I will be going to Rajahmundry. Tomorrow, next week by this time, Tuesday, I will be playing cricket. I will be playing cricket. What will you be? On Sunday by this time. What will you be on Sunday by this time? I will be playing kabaddi. I will be sleeping. I will be watching movie Sunday by this time. Will you be reading tomorrow a poem? Yes, I will be reading tomorrow a poem. It's like our conversations about future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, most important. Know the concept very well, then automatically you will easily conversate with your friends or neighbors, communicate very easily. The concept is here already you have known. I will use the he, she, subjective pronouns. I will the he, she, subjective pronouns. From this, continuous means ing we use. It's a V4 form. So will be we use will be plus V4. Will be plus V4. Will be plus V4. In positive. Negative won't be plus V4. Won't be plus V4. Will you be playing cricket tomorrow? By this time? No. I won't be playing cricket. I will be watching movie. I will be playing kabaddi, not cricket. Slide. Won't be plus V4. And interrogative. Interrogative means will you be? Will you be? Will you be plus V4? We always use in the continuous tense V4. V4 means basic form with ing. Already you have known. V4 means what? Basic form with ing. Going, playing, eating, teaching, writing, reading. It's like will you be? Will you be? Yes. Yes. I will be plus V4. Will you be playing cricket? Yes, I will be playing cricket. No. I won't be plus V4. I won't be plus V4. I won't be plus V4. Of course, otherwise, instead of you అంటున్నాను. Will he be? Otherwise here will he or will she be? Will she be reading? Will she be plus V4? Yes, he will be plus V4. No, he won't be. He won't be plus V4. He won't be. Or she won't be. Will she be? Will she be going to market tomorrow, Wednesday? Will she be going to market? Yes, she will be going to market. So like in WH questions, what, where, how, what will you be? What will you be plus V4? What will you be buying tomorrow? What will you be buying? What will you be playing? What will you be eating? Tomorrow breakfast. What will you be? And how will you be? Where will you be? Where will they be? Where will they be? Playing. Tomorrow cricket. Where will they be playing tomorrow cricket? రేపు వాడు క్రికెట్ ఎక్కడ ఆడుతూ ఉంటారు? Did you get clarity? Have you understood? So చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. What will you be eating tomorrow in your breakfast? రేపు నీ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ లో ఏం తింటూ ఉంటావు? I will be eating in my breakfast sprouts. నేను tomorrow మొలకలు తింటూ ఉంటాను. So this going on in future actions, going on in future. Where will you be? Where will they be? How will she be? How will you be? Plus V4. It's like here also you change the subject. What will she be? Plus V4. Where will he be? What will she be? Plus V4. What will she be? Plus V4. Where will he be? Plus V4. How will she be? Plus V4. How will she be? Plus V4. How will she be going? How will she be going? Like, so copy down. And here question answers. Conversations. Eating. I'll be eating. I will be eating. I'll be eating. Idli in my breakfast. What will you be eating? I'll be eating. And some other question. How will she be traveling? How will she be traveling? How will she be traveling? I will she be traveling. She will be traveling. She will be traveling by train. She will be traveling by train. Will you be playing cricket next Sunday? Will or will they? Will they be playing cricket? Will they be playing cricket? Now they're asking questions. So everyone ready to ask question and ready to respond answer. So both are most important. Then only you can be improved your communication well. Otherwise you won't. So guys, know how to ask questions. Here, will they be playing cricket next Sunday? Well, next Sunday cricket ఆడుతుంటారా? Yes. If yes, they will be. Don't forget, they will be playing cricket. They will be playing cricket. No, they won't. They won't be playing cricket. They won't be playing. They won't be playing cricket. Okay. Here in the continuous tense, we compulsory use ing form, and also we use be form as helping verb. What is the be form here we use? Here we use the be form believe be. Here we use the be form believe be in future continuous. For example, if it is in the present continuous, we use be form. What we use? Am is are. Am is are. Where are you going? Are you playing? If we use this sentence in the present continuous, will they be playing cricket? Are you playing cricket? Right now, are you playing cricket? మీరు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నారా? Yes, we are playing cricket. No, we are not playing cricket. Present continuous. If it is the past continuous, when I came to the ground yesterday, were you playing cricket? నేను గ్రౌండ్కి వచ్చేసరికి మీరు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నారా? Were you playing cricket? Yes, we are playing cricket on that time, yesterday. That is past continuous. Here it is future continuous. Watch twice or thrice and get the concept how to use. Here the we use be form BEB. You should get practice well.